So मेरे जो नाना जी की मॉम थी, she converted into Sikh. She converted into Sikhism. Primarily because जो भी पार्टीशन के टाइम पे हुआ और जो भी पंजाब में हालात हुए बहुत सालों पहले, the Sikh community protected the Hindu community in our mohalla. और in the respect and to offer her gratitude, she converted into Sikhism. And like many other women in that community, Hindu women in that community, said that we will make one child, male child of ours, and we'll make them into a Sardar, a Sikh, just to pay that homage, to pay that respect. And I remember कि मेरे नाना जी की जो मॉम थी, and I saw her as a child when she was alive. She would go to गुरुद्वारा and every morning वो कड़ा प्रसाद आके सब घरों में बांटती थी, छोटा छोटा, इतना मिलता था हमें, बट डेली मिलता था. और हमेशा एक बात बोलती थी कि नानक नाम चढ़दी कला तेरे पाने सरबत दा भला. तब ये बातें समझ नहीं आती थी, लेकिन जो चढ़दी कला का जो बात है in that Punjabi, it says that चढ़दी कला is always, the energy is always constantly positively moving forward. And I find these micro phrases to be so profound that the idea of chढ़दी kala is that your energies, your actions in the world, your being in the world is positively always moving forward. It is not still, it is not moving backwards, it is not in the victim mode, but it is always positively moving forward. Or tere paane sarbat da pala means because of your name, because of your being, everybody gets that enlightenment. And two powerful phrases in this one simple thing. Nanak naam chढ़दी कला तेरे पाने सरबत दा भला. और वो हमेशा बोलती थी, बहुत बातें और भी बोलती थी सिखिज्म के बारे में. और मेरे नाना जी भी जब वो ओल्डर एज में आने लगे, ही वॉज अ डिवोट शिवा भक्त. एवरी मॉर्निंग इवनिंग ही वॉज डिवोटेड टू हिज साधना. और हमें कुछ नहीं पता होता था. ही वॉज दिस हम्बल गाय जिन्होंने सरकारी नौकरी की इतने साल फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट में, टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द ट्रीज एंड द प्लांट्स एंड द एनिमल्स. And he was this devoted Shiva Bhakt. And in the last couple of years of his life, he also started moving more towards the Sikh philosophy of being. Not saying anything to the Hindu philosophy. He had his issue with the temples, the way temples operated. So he was moving more towards, because he needed to go to a religious place, he would move towards a Gurdwara. Go to a Gurdwara. And I think हमारे जो उसूल जिंदगी में बनते हैं, हमारी जो लर्निंग्स आती हैं, it comes from a lot of our ancestral lineage work. मैं इन बातों के बारे में क्यों सडनली बात करने बोले, मैं बहुत दिनों से कर रही हूँ, because I had a session with one of our mentors at New York. And he asked me to think and remember my lineage. And I told him that I'm so detached to my lineage. I am so detached from my roots that I don't feel that I belong to that roots. But I feel ancestral wise, I've always had the gift and the, कहते ना जिनको पूर्वजों का आशीर्वाद जिन लोगों के सर पे होता है, I've always felt that आशीर्वाद on top of me. But immediate lineage और roots के साथ there was a big disconnect. So it started introspecting and saying कि यार क्या था. और जैसे सोचना शुरू किया, ये सारी बातें दिमाग में आना शुरू हो गई. जैसे ये बहुत पावरफुली सामने आया, नानक नाम चढ़दी कला तेरे पाने सरबत दा भला. उसे आता गया, दिमाग में चलता गया. So today I am remembering my Nana ji and my Nana ji's mom for just like a chant. They would say this to us as children, like a chant. और कहीं ना कहीं समाया, वो रोम रोम में समाया, समझ नहीं आई उस चीज़ की, बट वो रोम रोम में समाया, यू नो. It was ingrained in our DNA, in our being by just sound. कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही जीनी है कि चढ़ती कला होनी चाहिए हमेशा. The energy constantly should be moving forward. We should be evolving, growing energetically, spiritually, intellectually, financially. Everything should be just moving towards the evolution. Not needing for more. No, it's not more. There is a difference. Just the constant evolution in the way you are, the way your being is, that constantly needs to move and evolve further towards perhaps the divine. And that could happen through intellectual wisdom, that could happen through spiritual wisdom, that could happen to financial gains, that could happen to self-awareness. So as long as you're moving forward, जिंदगी चढ़ती कला में होनी चाहिए. So yeah, today it's all about चढ़ती कला. नानक नाम चढ़ती कला.